Good day everyone. In the last video, you have seen homogeneous differential equations which consist of only algebraic terms. There, you brought it to the format dy by dx is equal to some function. And if that function is a homogeneous function, that differential equation, that is homogeneous differential equation. Then you substituted y is equal to vx, differentiated it with respect to x, and then you substituted and you solved it as a variable separable type. Now let us see two different sums now. See the first sum, x dy by dx sin y by x plus x minus y sin y by x is equal to 0. The second sum, 2y e power x by y dx plus y minus 2x e power x by y into dy is equal to 0. Now, in the first sum, you have got some trigonometric functions. In that, you have got a y by x in both the trigonometric terms. Here, you have got some exponential function. You have got as a power x by y. So, actually, these are two different types we can say. You may have either y by x or you may have x by y in trigonometric functions, in exponential functions and in logarithmic functions. So, now, let us see how to deal with these two types simultaneously so that you can comparatively learn the differences and you will be clear about both the types. So, when you have y by x, you bring it to the format dy by dx is equal to. So, keep the dy by dx term on the left hand side. Take the other term, that is you got actually two terms, take them to the right hand side. The sign will change, y sin y by x minus x. Now keep the dy by dx alone here. Write this as it is. Bring that x sin y by x to the denominator here. Now the numerator consists of two terms. So you can now split it into two terms. So you will get now y sin y by x by x sin y by x minus x by x sin y by x. This sin y by x in the numerator and denominator will get cut. The x here will get cut. So you will get here y by x. That is, this is dy by dx, y by x. 1 by sin will become cosecant. So you can write cosecant y by x. Mark this as 1. So now you have simplified this equation. You brought it to the format dy by dx is equal to, and you have got it as 1. Now here, because you have an x by y in the power, now bring it to the format dx by dy. Okay, that is the first difference. So now keep the dx term here. Take this term there. So naturally the sign will now change. This will become now positive. Y will become now negative. Right? Now write dx by dy, that is equal to 2x e power x by y minus y by 2y e power x by y. Here also the numerator consists of two terms. So split it now. 2x e power x by y by 2y e power x by y minus y by 2y e power x by y. Now this 2 and this 2 will get cut. This term will get cut. This y will get cut. Okay. So now you get dx by dy, that is equal to x by y here. Here you are getting minus 1 by 2 e power x by y. So now this we will call it as 1 for this sum. So here you have got here dy by dx. Here you have got dx by dy. Okay. Now the next difference between these two types. Here I am going to substitute y is equal to vx. I am going to differentiate it with respect to x. So I will be getting dy by dx is equal to product rule v into 1 plus x into dv by dx. This is my step 3. Here correspondingly I will put x is equal to vy. I will differentiate it with respect to y. Okay, see the differences. So here I will get dx by dy is equal to product rule v into 1 plus y into dv by dy. So now you have got a 1, 2, 3 here. You have got a 1, 2, 3 here. Now you will substitute the 2 and 3 in 1 always. So now substitute the 2 and 3 in 1. You will get now for dy by dx you write this v plus x into dv by dx that is equal to this y by x will now become v. See, v is equal to y by x. So that will become now v, and here you will get minus cosecant v. This v and this v will go, so you will get x dv by dx, that is equal to minus cosecant v. Here substitute the 2 and 3 in 1. So for dx by dy you write v plus y dv by dy is equal to, now v is equal to x by y. So put v here, minus 1 by 2 e power v. So you have got here v plus y dv by dy is equal to v minus 1 by 2 into e power v. Here also the v will get cut. So you will get y into dv by dy is equal to minus 1 by 2 e power v. So now we have reached a stage where we have to make them as variable separable. Here it will be a variable separable in v and x. Here it will be a variable separable in v and y. Okay. So now what will happen now? Let us write it as, you have a dv here in the LHS, correct? You have a dv here. You bring this cosecant v here. So dv by cosecant v, that is equal to, keep the minus here, dx by x. Now you know cosecant v in the denominator, you can write it as sin v in the numerator. So sin v dv is equal to minus dx by x. Now you have separated the variables, so you can integrate. So straight away you write integral sin v dv is equal to minus integral dx by x. Now what is the integration of sin v? It is minus cos v. So you will get minus cos v is equal to minus log mod x plus c. Now the v is nothing but y by x. So v is the one we have created. So now convert it as cos y by x is equal to minus log mod x plus c. Both have negation. You can keep that negation in c because that is just a constant. It may be positive or negative. So let me write cos y by x is equal to log mod x plus, I can put a big C or I can put a K or whatever. This is my required general solution. Okay. Now here let us proceed. What we are having here, we have a variable separable in v and y here. Okay. So now let us keep the dv here. These 2 and e power v are in the denominator, so they will come to the numerator. So you will get 2 e power v dv. Keep the minus here, you will get dy by y. So now the variables are separated here also. So you can integrate now both sides. So you will get here 2 is as it is. E power v, the integration is also e power v. Here you will get minus log mod y plus c. You can bring this minus log mod y this side, and for this v now we have to substitute x by y, remember. So 2 into e power x by y plus log mod y, that is equal to c. C you keep here. Now this is the required general solution. So these two models, when you learn it comparatively, you will know the difference. Here when you have y by x, bring it to the format dy by dx. When you have x by y, bring it to the format dx by dy. That is the first one. Then you substitute here y is equal to vx and differentiate with respect to x. Here you substitute x is equal to vy and differentiate with respect to y. Then finally when you substitute for that v, replace it, here y by x, here x by y. Hope the two sums are clear to you comparatively. Thanks for watching the video. You can subscribe to the channel and you can click the bell icon to get further notifications.